Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the limit. So when we put number 2 going here and here, you will have about number 0 in here. If we put number 2 going here, you got number 0 in here. So that means we have 0 over 0. So we can use about F hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So the square root of this one, that is about 1 over 2. This is about 1 over 3. So if we do first the derivative of this one, that is about number 5 multiplied by 5x plus number 6. And we have 1 over 2 from the power in here. And this one we have 1 over 2 minus number 1. And the next one we have about negative 4x to the power of 3 after we do first the derivative of this one. And then we have 1 over 3 from the power in here. This one, first the derivative of s, we have number 1. And now we put number 2 going here, here, and here. So we have the final answer. So we calculate this one and we have that is about negative number 1 over 24. This is the end. Thank you for watching.